I am really happy to hear that the Central Vigilance Commission has asked all stakeholders to be involved in this project and discussion. Gives me a lot of happiness to be asked to speak a few words on this occasion. I come from Kavia Engineering. We are a small MSME company with about 150 people and I think 28 years old now. We have been associated with SIDBI from 2018 and have seen enormous improvements along the journey that we've had in the last 5 years with them. We have seen enormous improvements in the transparency and the ease of doing business. I remember the last set of transactions that we did with SIDBI actually moved to a paperless documentation system where we were able to sign all the documents in a digital manner without even visiting their office. I must say it has been a remarkable change from the earlier days where we had to sign stacks of paper, maybe 50, 100 signatures. So I would absolutely compliment, SIDBI here and the government of India in general for making life very much easier. Prior to GST, we had a plethora of rates and taxes. Nobody really knew what to make of them. There were so many exemptions, so many changes of rules, so many interpretations. It was really difficult for a small-scale company like us to keep track of all these things. We did see that after GST, most of these complications have come down. We do a lot of R&D in our company, for which actually nobody pays us. We take it out of our own money and we try and do basic R&D. We've started building our own machinery as a result. And the idea is to bring in lower cost for our customers. The startup industry initiative by the government has really got us thinking if we should spin off a small separate company as a startup to do all this R&D and take advantage of the very many incentives available on offer. I would like to make a commitment from my side to take this forward, whatever I can. One of them is to deal with personal integrity in all my personal activities and initiatives. I think the second very, very important thing is to work with total probity in public life. I think I'm not in public life, but whenever I can do something for the greater good of our country, I'll be there forward. Thank you very much.